Well, good morning, everybody. We're going to work on the dam today and get that going. Well, basically get that fixed from the last blowout. I've got the skid steer on the back of the truck. We're going to head over there. I got a buddy taking the backhoe over for me right now, and we're going to work on repairing that thing so we can go look at fields later on today. And hopefully we can be in the fields either tonight or tomorrow and start cutting some beans, depending on how muddy it is. So come along for the ride. We are cruising at a whopping 20 miles an hour to the dam site. So an issue he's having is this is all clay right here, wet clay that we've been backfilling. And it's very slippery, so the backhoe likes to slide where off the edge. So to safely do this, he's got to pick the back end up and move it over without dumping the machine in the pond. Just like that. Okay, everyone, so kind of give a little info here what we're doing. This is the area that washed out. Let me see if I can open this window. There we go. This area here is what washed out and broke on the dam. So we did a little research on YouTube, ironically, and basically what they said is the best thing to do is get heavy wet clay to stop up the water, which we did that, and we're doing that currently. If you see, he's digging out clay out of the pond itself, so you can't get any wetter clay, look at that, than out of the pond itself. So we're using that. That stopped up the water here in front, and that prevented any water from coming through. And then they said layer with pea stone, because the pea stone packs and locks in to prevent water from flowing through. So we have a pile of pea stone here. I'm layering pea stone there and packing it down, and then we're going to bring in that wet clay and put a layer of wet clay on top of that and pack it down, and then we're going to put another layer of pea stone, so on and so forth. So after Google searching and YouTubing, this is the best answer for what we want to do. going to get another load of dirt, I received a text message that said, bring a chain back with you and a sense of humor. I'm kind of curious to see what I'm going to get myself into here, so guess we'll find out. So this is where we're working at. Most of you recognize this from my other videos. So this is what I grabbed the chain for, is he hit some slippery mud here and ended up down in there. So now I got to figure out how to get a stuck skid steer up out of a ravine. This is what I deal with.
Save me, save me.
So now I'm dragging a chain down into the abyss and try and figure out where to hook it to. I think we'll hook it to the back down there. I'll take you guys around the other side and see what kind of predicament this is in. Well, you can kind of see the trail leading down. Let me crawl through the woods here. This is all soft because this whole area is flooded, was flooded from when the dam broke. So, yeah. Alright. Makes for good TV though, don't it? So, this thing's got to go up through there. Well, that's where it was. Came out relatively easy. Backhoe did a good job as usual. So this is what happens when you send somebody with your truck to go get a load of dirt. I don't think that's supposed to be bent like that. I could hear the jack scraping the entire way up the road. Ah, well. Look at that thing. It's bent. It's broke right there. Huh. Oh well. It's garbage. Alright guys, well, this is the finished product. So we'll see if this one lasts. I'm hoping it should. This one is built a little more sturdier. We used heavy clay, pea rock, and dirt. What a beautiful scenery. Alright guys, I'm going to end the video here. Remember, like, subscribe, share, comment. You know the drill. Alright, looks like maybe tomorrow might be able to start cutting beans, but we'll see. They're a little on the wet side right now. So, alright. Talk to you later. I appreciate you guys.